If you love Oha soup, then you will want to try this my delicious goat meat Oha recipe. Without saying too much, let's dive into the video. Hello and welcome back to Chummy Kitchen. Let's make this delicious goat meat Oha soup together. First, I have my ede here, so I'm going to be removing the back, then wash thoroughly to remove sand. I'll wash it for 3 to 4 times or until the water runs clear, because ede comes with a lot of sand. Please make sure to wash your ede properly so your soup won't taste sand. It comes with a lot of sand, so you need to really wash it very well, just as I'm doing in the video. I'm done with washing. Next, I'm going to be cooking the ede. So in a clean pot, I added the ede, then added water to cover it very well. Let it cook for 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. Next is to wash the meat. I'm using goat meat for this Oha soup. So in a clean bowl, I added the goat meat, I added some salt. You can use vinegar or lemon or lime. Then added water, then wash about 3 to 4 times. I just wash it until the water runs clear. Have you ever tasted Oha soup with goat meat before? You know goat meat has the special taste, like unique taste. Just imagine when you use it to cook Oha soup. It's going to be very delicious. So let's get started. In a clean pot, I added my already washed goat meat, seasoning cube, salt. Please do not try this way of adding salt. Scotch bonnet pepper. Then mix everything together. I won't be adding water. I will let it cook with its own juice for 15 minutes. Next, let's check on the ede. Ede is also known as cocoyam in English. So I just picked up one. Once you touch it and it feels very soft like this, just know it's done. So I'll take it off the fire. I'll go and blend it. I'm not pounding, I'm going to be blending it with my blender. I'll remove the skin, then I'll blend. Next, let's check on the goat meat. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. I just gave it a quick stir. Then I added my blended cocoyam and crayfish. I blended cocoyam and crayfish. Then I added more water. That will be enough for me to cook the soup. Went in with some red oil, that's palm oil. Then cover the pot and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I give it a very nice stir. Mix everything together very well. Then I added my washed dry fish and stockfish. Added ogiri. That is the main ingredient in cooking Oha soup. I added some blended scotch bonnet pepper. Then stir properly. Cover the pot and let it cook for another 10 minutes. When you're cooking Oha soup and bitter leaf soup, make sure you add ogiri. If not, it's not going to come out nice. I added some salt. After 15 minutes, our soup is almost ready. Stir properly. I'll add my chopped uziza leaf. Uziza leaf always comes before you add your Oha leaf, so I cover the pot and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I stir. It is coming out nicely. I added the already washed Oha leaf. Gave it a gentle stir. Cover the pot and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'll give it one last stir and that's it. Our delicious goat meat Oha soup is ready. Looking very delicious. Tell me, will you be trying this recipe? Have you tried goat meat Oha soup before? Share your thoughts in the comments. Just look at how beautiful this soup is looking. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video, share with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.